1, 2, 3, 4. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be in some big city in a small room with a girl on my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be here alone, knowing that you're gone would cause me to lose my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. Ain't coming back, JayDee. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to see you another man's darling and know you can never be mine. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. Carmine. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. Yes, I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. All right. Thank you. Got a nice crowd here tonight.
We do. They keep coming in. We have two special people. First of all, I forgot to mention Frog, or Roy is going to come up and do something with us in a little bit. That's what that guitar and amp is all about. So I want to thank him for coming up. We just had a very special lady walk in, very close to my heart and my family. She is our family, Marina. I can't even say it. Anyway, Buddy's wife, Marina Sardo. Most of you people out there know Buddy. He worked all over with us, and he was a great guy. And we lost him in June. But Marina, you're doing good, honey. I know your family's good, and we love all you guys. You know that. Thanks for coming up. Appreciate it. All right.
Class the joint up a little
I
bit.
couldn't even finish it. Do a song. Get me out of this mood I'm in.
Okay. This is tuned by, what's his name, and from that place. One last chance.
All right.
One last chance. One last dash dance. 1, 8, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. She was standing at the front door. I came home last night. Good book in her left hand, rolling bin in her right. She said you come home for the last time, whiskey on your breath. You're gonna listen to my preaching, or I'm gonna beat you half to death. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. No, I drive you crazy, baby. Best that I can do. Good old boy making noise and running around on you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. First she hid my glasses, 'cause she knows that I can't see. Said you ain't going nowhere, boy. Spend a little time with me. Well, my friends call from the honky-tonk. There's a party going on around here. She may have took my car keys. She forgot about my old John Deere. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. No, I drive you crazy, baby. It's the best that I can do. It's a good old boy making noise and running around on you. Just one more last chance before you say we're through. Come on, JayDee. Too much coffee for John.
Oh.
You know, you put one little curl in this guy's forehead and he plays like a madman.
Well,
Have you noticed?
You know, Gary Swan got him all excited.
I know. Love it.
Jeez.
Swan, you got another one?
Yeah, but I'm scared. This guy
I know.
got me scared. Got me scared now.
Hey, I want to thank all the folks here for coming up, Dr. Kathy and Dr. Teresa and Dave from Australia and who else? Oh, Luane, of course, and my wife, Susie, and thank you, Marina, for coming up. And, of course, Nellie's here and Roy's here and my daughter, Kim, and Dan and the band. And we got a crowd tonight, JayDee. I'm glad you came up. Good night.
In G.
Okay, in G.
1 for the morning, 2 for the two. Need to get ready now. Go, cat, go get it, don't you? Live my blues with you. You can do anything. Live my blues with you. Knock me down, in my face. Saying my name all over the place. Do anything you wanna do. Honey, lay off them shoes. Step on my blues with you. You can do anything. Lay off my blues with you. Give me some of that bass. Oh, that's enough. Don't give me too much. Oh, yeah. I think we gotta let John go. He's going crazy, man. Oh, no. Come on, JayDee. Oh, you know. John had 4 drums.
Nice Carl Perkins tune there.
I remember the year Clayton Delan died. And they said for the last 2 weeks he suffered and he cried. And it made a big impression on me, although I was a barefoot kid. And they said he got religion at the end, and I'm glad that he did. Now Clayton was the best guitar picker in our town. And I thought he was a hero, used to follow Clayton around. I often wondered why Clayton, who seemed so good to me, he never took that guitar, made it down in Tennessee. JayDee. Now my daddy said he drank a lot and I could never understand. I knew we used to pick up in Ohio with a 5-piece band. Clayton used to tell me, son, you better throw that old guitar away, 'cause there ain't no money in it, it'll lead you to an early grave. Guess if I'd admitted old Clayton taught me how to drink booze. I could see him half stoned picking out the lovesick blues. And when Clayton died, I made him a promise. I said I'm gonna carry on somehow, and I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. And I remember the year Clayton Delan died. Nobody ever knew it, but I went up in the woods and I cried. And I know there's a lot of big preachers that know a lot more than I do, but it could be that the good Lord likes a little picking too. And I remember the year Clayton Delan died. All right. Well, okay, the boss is speaking. Everybody stop. What, Susie?
Steve Duncan wants to say hi to all you guys. He didn't even know you were here.
Well, we love Steve. I just saw him last year and played a gig with him. He invited me to play with the band he's in Branson, right outside of Branson, Missouri. Huh? Yeah, it's right near Branson, isn't it? Steve Duncan. Anyway, Steve, we love you. I'm coming through next year again. Maybe we'll come by and see you. Who?
Chad.
Oh, yeah, we got so many people. We can't. All right, these are all the people watching the show on the computer, and my wife feels compelled to say hi back to them. Usually I'll wait till the show's over. I go home, I watch the show, and then I say hi to different people that said hello. Huh? Not today. Not today. Okay, Paul, who just did one? Oh, I did. Oh, Paul, go ahead.
All right, what am I going to do?
I thought it was Paul.
Let's do, let's do Working Man's Blues. The key of A, not too fast. And by the way, you know the steel player Pete Grant? Remember Pete Grant? So he played with us this last weekend because he lives up in Northern California. So any friends of Pete? He's doing great, and he played with us. We had a real good time. So here we go. Big John just getting by, doing Well, it's a big job getting by with 3 kids and a wife. But I've been a working man dang near all of my life, and I'll keep on working long as these 2 hands are fit to use. Well, I'll drink my beer in the tavern, sing a little bit of these working man blues. Yeah, and I keep my nose to the grindstone, work hard every day. Might get a little tight on the weekend after I draw my pay, but I go back a working. Come a Monday morning, I'm right back with the crew. Yeah, and I drink my beer in the tavern, sing a little bit of these working man blues. Come on, Gary Swan. Sometimes I think about leaving, maybe do a little bumming around, throw my bills out the window, take a train to another town, but I go back working. I gotta buy my kids a brand new pair of shoes. Yeah, and I'll drink my beer in the tavern, cry a little bit of these working man blues. I won't be, 'cause I'll go back working long as these 2 hands are fit to use. And I'll drink my beer in the tavern, sing a little bit of these working man blues. that's the one place I won't be, 'cause I'll go back working. Long as these two hands are fit to pick. Yeah, and I'll drink my beer in the tavern, sing a little bit of these working man blues. Well, I'll drink my beer in the tavern, cry a little bit of these working man blues.
So we're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. This is Carmine's Country Corner. We got JayDee on steel, of course, Paul Marshall on bass, John Palmer on drums, and Gary Swan on piano, and Carmine on guitar. And Roy, come on up and sing a song with us. Da-da-da-da-da. Here he comes. Hey, what's that thing you say about Bob Smith?
Oh, Bob Smith, everybody knows he'd give him away, but his wife won't let him.
Hey, what?
Okay, here we go.
People say I'm a no good, crazy as a loon. Cause I get drunk in the morning and stoned in the afternoon. Kinda like my old blue tick hound, I like to lay around in the shade. I ain't got no money, but I damn sure got it made. And I ain't asking nobody for nothing if I can't get it on my own. alcoholic, and a rich man goes to work. Drunkard wants another drink of wine, the politician wants your vote. Me, I don't want much at all, but I'll take me another toad. And I ain't ask nobody for nothing if I can't get it on my own. If you don't like the way I'm living, you can just leave this one alone. Gonna catch a freight train down at the station road. I don't care where it goes. Gonna climb a mountain, the highest mountain. Jump off, ain't nobody gonna know. Can't you see? Can't you see what that woman been doing to me? Can't you see? Oh, can't you see what that woman been doing to me? I'm gonna find me a hole in the wall, crawl inside and die. Got my lady now, mean old woman, never told me goodbye. Can't you see? Can't you see what that woman been doing to me? Can't you see? Oh, can't you see what that woman been doing to me? Buy me a ticket, far as I can. I ain't never coming back. Ride me a southbound, all the way to Georgia now. Till that train run out of track. Can't you see? Can't you see what that woman been doing to me? Can't you see? What that woman been doing to me?
they call him Frog over there. And he's a good guy, and thank you for all your support. That's right, it is. The whole thing's a family. You're right, we're one big family.
He's
Paul.
been Frog forever.
Yeah. Swan's gonna do one.
It's for your wife.
Susie.
There's a closet full of dresses that I bought you. And here's the keys to the new car in the drive. And before you leave our room, put on your best perfume. You're gonna do me wrong, do it right. Next time the phone rings,
I love the way you do that song, Gary. It's a good feel. Nice job. JayDee, you sound
See,
great,
I got
man.
that in for you, Susie Q.
JayDee really sounds good tonight, doesn't he?
Oh, yes, he does.
That's right. He makes the whole band, puts it in a whole different place. A better place. Anyway, enough of that. Paul.
Yes, Carmine.
What do you got? What time is it? Oh, God, we only got 9 minutes, 10 minutes. We might go over 5 minutes. Who knows? What do you got? Bob Smith Toyota, folks. Carmine's Country Corner. 1 hour of fun music every Sunday, 6 to 7. Been doing it 4.5 years now. Wow. We ain't quitting yet. The engineers are talking.
Hey.
I think they're arguing about something. Okay, that's a good thing.
All right, we got a little Flatten Scruggs song dialed up here.
I love that song. Put it where you like it. Kid G.
Sounds like
Kid G.
Kid 1, baby. Kid G.
We'll just vamp. 1, 2, 1. In this world today where we are living, some folks say the worst of us they can. But when we are dead in our casket, they always slip some lilies in our hand. Well, won't you give me my flowers while I'm living? And let me enjoy them while I can. Please don't wait till I'm ready to be buried, and then put some lilies in my hand. In this world, that's where we need our flowers. A kind word to help us get along. If you can't give me flowers while I'm living, please don't send them when I'm gone. Well, won't you give me my flowers while I'm living? Let me enjoy them while I can. Please don't wait till I'm ready to be buried, and then slip some lilies in my hand. Flowers while I'm living, and let me enjoy them while I can. Please don't wait till I'm ready to be buried, and then slip some lilies in my hand. No, don't you try, slip some lilies in my hand. Tell the ones you love that you love them. I love you. I love you too, pal.
I try to be. Blue and broken hearted me. Explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter how I try to be, blue and broken hearted me. Oh, blue and broken hearted me. Holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken hearted me. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken hearted. I guess that's going to be it. We'll let these people off the hook. Thank you for watching Carmine's Country Corner. See you next week. Don't be late. And that's it. Great job, guys. Thank you. Bye. Good night, folks.